Hey people, so we are at this the Kitab Lovers book exhibition that is at the Ameerpet Metro station, and it is from April 10th to April 14th. And see, I have my personal collection. You can buy it for 1200, 2400 and 3600, I think, these boxes. So yeah, it's quite a collection really. And what I find impressive is these kids here. They are kids who are choosing books, and if you were to take a look, it's like quite a here we have quite I picked out books that I found nice. So yeah, really good. Yeah, I'm so happy I came. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.